In this short video, you're going to learn how to solve proportions. So proportions are equations that have two ratios set equal to each other, like in example 1 and example 2. So to solve proportions, we want to look where the variable is. In example 1, the variable is on the left side. And to get this variable alone, since I'm dividing by 8, I'm just going to multiply both sides by 8. So I'm multiplying both sides by 8. On the left side, if I'm multiplying by 8 and dividing by 8, those operations undo each other, and I'm just left with x. On the right side, I'm multiplying 5/12 by 8, or the same thing as 8 over 1. So 5 times 8 is 40, and 12 times 1 is 12. So I can simplify this fraction by dividing by 4, and I would get 10/3, or I could write it as a decimal, which would be 3.3 repeating. So x is equal to 10/3, or 3.3 repeating. Now let's look at example 2. In this case, I also have the variable on the left side, and I'm also going to multiply by the denominator, which in this case is the variable. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the variable x. So when I multiply the left side by x, the x's cancel out, and I'm left with 9. And on the right side, I'm left with 12/15 times x, or the same thing as 12x over 15. So what I'm going to do now, to get rid of the denominator on the right side, it's the same as dividing by 15. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 15. On the right side, multiplying by 15 undoes the dividing by 15. So I'm just left with 12x on the right side. And on the left side, 15 times 9 is 135. Now I just have a one-step equation to solve for x. I just need to divide by 12 on both sides. So I'm left with x equals 11.25.